Yeah, what's up, guys? This track is entitled After the Sun. I've made it using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit a like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment even, guys. Yeah, and we'll go from there. But yeah, listen to the tune. Let's see what you think. Guys, if you like it, hit me up, drop a like, subscribe, follow, be on socials, etc. Quick breakdown of how I made the track. Alright, so you've got your obviously drum loop, guys. Was obvious going through it. And I've got that in normal and with high pass filters. Obviously the previous videos gives you a little bit of a hint of how to use high pass filters and low pass filters. So low pass, this is with the high pass, this bit. The differences. And then, right, and then they got high pass and low pass just before the drops. And I'm gonna add in bass. And I'm going to add in the bass with a high pass and low pass. Actually, just high pass on this part. It's coming up. Yeah. So and with the high pass, and then back to normal. All right, and I'm gonna bring in a synth. All right, now I'm gonna bring in another synth. Chord progression and piano. And I'm using Europa in Reason. I put a volume on it to lift it up. The vocal. And that sound, that storm sound effect, if I solo that. So all that is yeah, that's all it is. But I put it in certain places just to kind of give it, to lift up the track, give it some volume, give it some life. Yeah, that's what I like to use the word. It's literally what it is, and bring it to life. But guys, I hope you like it. If you like the video, yeah, tap in for more. Check out Linktree/TommyTappah. Without further ado, cheers. Tap in for more for this channel.